How to use Netflix new natural language search feature. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily use the new search feature on Netflix. So if you guys didn't know, Netflix has recently released a beta version of a new AI featured search feature. So what it does is it's AI powered natural search language that allows user to find content using everyday language like something funny and upbeat. But you have to note that this is currently a limited and opt-in beta feature in an iOS device in Australia and New Zealand. So if you're on that region, you might be able to get your hands on this new feature. It's powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT and expands search possibilities and capabilities beyond the traditional title, genre, or actor searches. So in order to use this, you can see first, you need to be using an iOS device. So the feature is currently available on iOS, and you can check if you are in the supported region. So currently, Australia and New Zealand are the only known regions to support the feature. Since this is an opt-in beta program, if you meet the first two criteria, you may be able to actively opt into the beta program with the Netflix app. And then instead of typing in something specific like a title of a movie or an actor's name, you can try phrases like something light and funny, a thriller that's scary but not too scary, or something like that. Something that expresses your feeling. So these are some of the criterias that you need to be using the Netflix new natural language search. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.